trail, sunshine dancing through the piney veil. 90 pounds of shadow, soft and deep. Zoe von Aber, my mountain keep. She sniffs the wind, then looks at me. Like this whole world, just you and me. Up we go where the eagles play. Her ears go floof, I laugh all day. Point up high, what do you see? Zoe von Aber's watching over me. Point down low, feel the ground. Her paw prints make the safest sound. Mountain giggles with my gentle beast. Loves a 90-pound piece. She blocks the steep parts with her chest. Like little one, I'll pass the test. I grab her collar, warm and black. The whole wide sky upon my back. A butterfly lands on her nose. She freezes still, nobody knows. Shh, it's magic time. Point up